I'm your host, Whiskey 60, and you can tell we're still in the same camp. One of these nights, it's either going to be tonight or tomorrow night, I'm going to make that deer chili. But until then, what I'm doing is I'm getting prepared for that. I'm going to make, some people call these a Roman candle, a Viking torch, whatever. They can be made in all different ways. This one, the way I'm making it is, I split it with a chainsaw. This is a hard wood. What type of wood is it?
Oak.
Okay, so this is oak wood. So I took a chainsaw and we split an X like this. Other wood, you can use an axe or hatchets, but anyway, you want to split it crosswise. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make some wedges, and I'm going to drive them in here to try to spread that a little bit, because I've got to hollow out the center, and then we're going to start our fire in the center to cook deer chili with a Dutch oven. So it did a little bit, so now I'm going to get a knife that I use as a chisel. I'm going to drive it down in there and try to hollow out that center. I'll be right back. Well, good afternoon. It's about 2:30 and we started our chili, and we made one of these Roman torches or Swedish torch or Roman candle, whatever they're called, I don't know. But we made one and we started our deer chili. We've got our beans in there cooking. You can see the steam coming out. And basically what we do is we cook the beans down 3 times, and we add the meat, and we add the special seasoning and whatever else is in the recipe that we're not going to tell you about. And it comes out perfect every single time, and that's what's going to happen today. Spoon is supposed to be here around 5. So he might have some commentary, but until then, alright, so we're back. Our beans are cooking down. This is the second cook down. You can see how well our Roman candle, or whatever you want to call it, is working out. It's working out great. So we got one more bowl down after this, and then we'll start adding the ingredients, which is going to be all secret ingredients, except for the deer meat. You know what deer meat is. But, so we'll get this done, and then we'll check in with you again a little bit later. Alright, so we got our chili done. There's the rest of the Roman candle or Swedish torch or whatever it's called, burned out. We've got our chili done, and we're about to chow down, and so that's about it. That's the way you do it, and it turns out really good. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and we appreciate you watching. And don't forget to check out whiskey60.com. You got t-shirts, hats, you get free stickers with every t-shirt or hat. And there's all kinds of other merchandise for camping, overlanding, and the outdoors. So thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Whiskey out. Now, I think my head's cut off in that.